Hello students, welcome back. This is Unit 2 from our NCERT English textbook, and today we are going to do the poem Noses written by Elaine Fisher. So first of all, we will look into the summary of the poem. So what is the summary? This poem is about a child who looks into the mirror. She is a little girl and she is looking into the mirror, and what she feels that her nose grows in a funny and strange way. So the poem is about the appearance of ourselves. So what she finds that her nose sticks right out of her face, and the nose has two small holes through which air goes in and out. Now she observes that her nose grows out like a handle between the end of her chin and the start of her hair. So she says that if ever one wants to laugh and shout but cannot find a reason for it, then all one needs to do is to look in the mirror. So she finds the appearance of her nose very funny. Right? Now, moving forward, we will read the poem and we will look into the explanation as well as the word meaning of the poem. So first we will read and recite the poem. Yes. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows, stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare, with my nose like a handle sticking there. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose sticks out. By Ellen Fisher. Now we will look further into the explanation of the poem, as well as we will learn some new words, that is the word meaning, which I have mentioned at the left side of this page, as well as we will also going to look into the rhyming words. Now very first we will read the first stanza and we will look at the explanation of the stanza. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It is the funniest thing, the way it grows, stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. Here, in the first stanza, there is a girl who is looking in the mirror and she finds her nose to be funny because of way it is growing and becoming bigger in size than earlier, and also because of the little holes. Do you know, students, what these little holes are known as? These two little holes are known as or called as nostrils, and these nostrils are used for breathing. Now look into stanza 2. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare, with my nose like a handle sticking there. Here, in this stanza, a girl is again looking in the mirror and no to seeing her chin and the starting point of the hair. That means she is thinking that the nose is in the center of the face like a handle, without leaving anything extra space for her face. Now come to the third stanza. If you ever want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and no doubt you will see how funny your nose sticks out. In this stanza, the girl is saying that if ever you want to giggle and shout, that means if you ever want to laugh and make noise, then you don't have to find any reason, but you have to look in the mirror what you have. To do is simply look in the mirror and see your nose, and then we'll notice that it looks like someone has pasted it on your face, and this will be the best reason to laugh and make noise. So here we complete our explanation. Now we will look into the new words. The very first word here is funniest. What is the spelling of funniest? F-U-N-N-I-E-S-T. Funniest. Say. Funniest means laughable. What is the meaning of funniest? Funniest means laughable. Here we can trace the word in the stanza. This is funniest. Now the second word is stuck. S-T-U-C-K, stuck. Stuck means pasted. Third word, space. Space means empty place. Number 4, giggle. Giggle means laugh in low voice. Number 5, doubt. Doubt means not sure. Number 6, spare. Spare means extra. Number 7, sticks out. Sticks out means grows out. Number 8, shout. To shout means to speak in a very loud voice. Now we will look into the rhyming words of the poem. Now do you know, students, what is the rhyming word? Rhyming word means when the two words, when you pronounce it sounds like similar. So similar pronouncing word is known as rhyming word. So here we will look into the rhyming words. Nose, goes, grows, shows. Shout, about, doubt. Shout, about, doubt. So these are some of the rhyming words of our poem. Here we end our poem. Have a great day.